Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. Welcome you to all in today's video session. Today we will learn new topic in English grammar. The topic is one word for many words. So let's start. A single word can replace a group of words or a phrase. Or we can say that we can replace a group of words with one word. See the example here. The sentence, we draw along a road that was covered with dust. So, see, that was covered with dust. These words replace the one word is called dusty, but the meaning of the sentence doesn't change. So we draw along a road that was covered with dust. So we change that was covered with dust with the word dusty. We draw along a dusty road. Next example, Rohan is a boy with a good deal of intelligence. So here are group of words that is with a good deal of intelligence. So we change this group of words to a single word that is intelligent. The meaning of this sentence doesn't change. So we wrote it as Rohan is an intelligent boy. Next example is the cat walked towards the butterfly in a silent manner. Here the phrase in a silent manner, we change this group of words to the single word that is silently. So we write it as the cat walked towards the butterfly silently. Next is I wear this sari only on some occasions. So here are the group of words only on some occasions. We change this group of words or we replace all these group of words with the single word occasionally. So we wrote this sentence as I wear this sari occasionally. See, in all example, the meaning of this sentence doesn't change. Now, here are some examples we will solve. Sometimes we can replace a group of words with one word. See, she wrote in a neat way. We replace this group of words in a neat way to the word neatly. We have replaced the group of words in a neat way with one word that is neatly without changing the meaning. Some exercise. We have to replace the underlined words with a single word from the box given below. See, here are single words of every underlined group of words are given. So, we solve this. Number 1 is the child walked through the dark room in a brave manner. See, in a brave manner, we replace this word with the bravely. Next is the children ate their lunch without any noise. So, without any noise, we change this group of words with quietly. So that is the children ate their lunch quietly. We go out to play every day. We can replace this words every day with single word daily. We go out to play daily. He could solve the sums without any difficulty. So, without any difficulty, that means easily. So, he could solve the sums without, he could solve the sums easily. Next is, we will finish our homework in a short time from now. So, we replace this group of words with shortly. That is, we will finish our homework shortly. King Ashoka ruled the country in a wise manner. Here, the group of words in a wise manner, we replace these words with single word, that is wisely. That is, the King Ashoka ruled the country wisely. The lady spoke in a soft voice. Here, the group of words in a soft voice, we replace this word with single word softly. The lady spoke the lady spoke softly. And the last is, during the monsoon, during the monsoons, we see water wherever we look. Here, the group of words wherever we look, we replace these words with a single word everywhere. So, we can write it as, during the monsoon, we see water everywhere. So, students, I hope you all understood this topic, that is one word for many. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask me. Till then, take care. Thank you and Jazakallah.